Hi, I'm Dixon. I'm the material supply manager. So I'm responsible for procuring the raw materials that we use in the process, which come from all corners of the world.
20, 30 countries maybe, a lot from North America, from the Far East, the Middle East, Europe.
We source them all over there, bring them back here and turn them into new parts. I've been here, I think it's 17 years now. It's all I've ever done.
Some of the ingredients come from some pretty obscure places around the world. Some of the cooler stuff is things like the gunmetal scrap, which comes by the container load. So, you know, generally you'll find, 10, 15, 20 tons of gunmetal scrap. One of the coolest places I've sourced it from is Bangladesh. The shipbreaking yards in Chittagong specifically, which is like hell on earth. I mean, it's a crazy place. They literally drive these ships up the beaches at full speed. I narrowly missed the opportunity to be on a ship when they drove it up the beach. There's like an army of people just descend on them, cut them into pieces. Obviously the steel goes into the steel industry, and all the gunmetal, the bronze scrap that's used in steam valves and whatever else is all isolated and cut out of the superstructure, collected, and then they sort it and grade it, and then ship them off, ship those pieces all around the world. It's a very personable sort of a business. People like to see each other, so I guess you build a level of trust with individuals, and of course COVID did it did clip my wings a little bit. I travelled quite a lot pre-COVID. So the last 2 years during COVID certainly restricted travel. Nevertheless, the relationships that we have withstood that separation, and you've got Zoom and obviously telephone and whatever else, so it wasn't insurmountable.
How we doing, Kitty? Good.